I want to ask you this. Isn't it frustrating when you look at your channel art that you have just uploaded in your YouTube channel? It is right on top over there. It looks absolutely amazing. And then you check it on your phone or in your tab or even in your smart TV, it looks all messed up, right? So this is very, very frustrating. So how do you solve that problem? How do you make sure that your YouTube channel art is responsive across all devices? That is what you're going to learn in this video. This is going to be a short video, and by the end of the video you will be able to create your YouTube channel art and you will make sure that it looks amazing across devices. I am Santosh. I am a designer and an entrepreneur, and I create content around designing, entrepreneurship, and also marketing. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button, because I know that this has helped me and I'm pretty sure it's going to help you as well. So let's get there. Okay, here is Canva. This is where we are going to create the YouTube channel art. Before we go ahead, let me just quickly talk to you. If you're wondering why Canva, here is the thing. I can create YouTube channel art in Photoshop as well, but I'm not going to do it because it takes a lot of my time. I have to plan it. I have to think about the entire design structure and things like that. So I am a business owner. So if you're a business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, or if you're somebody who's looking to create designs quickly, then this is how you do it. Okay, so I'm going to show how to create channel art using Canva, and it's going to be quick and you're going to love it. Okay, we are back in Canva. So what we are going to create right now is YouTube channel art. Okay, so there are multiple ways you can create it. For this video, I'm going to do it from here. I'm going to hit create a design and I'm going to look for YouTube channel art, and it is 2560 into 1440. See, the sizes are going to vary. The YouTube channel art size is going to vary whenever there is an update on YouTube or on Canva. So what you're going to insert today into your channel art may not be relevant maybe 2 years down the line, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you a method or a strategy that I use to make sure my channel art fits, okay, across all devices. So that's what we are going to do. Let me show that to you. Okay, we are back here. So let's go to YouTube channel art quickly and go to templates. So there are multiple different templates over here. So you can choose something that you like. Let me see. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay, just for an example. All right. Now, I will duplicate this. Okay, and I'm going to delete everything from here. Delete, blank. Okay, I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to go to my channel. And then customization. Okay. And under customization, I'm going to go to branding. And this is where you upload your channel art. Okay. You can see the size. This is the minimum. It says for best results on all devices, use an image that's at least 2048 into 1152. Okay, now here is the thing. Now, if I click on change and let's say I choose something, okay, this is something I created recently. Okay, if you look at this, this is viewable on TV, the entire thing, okay, and this is viewable only in desktop, and this is viewable on all devices. So whatever your content is going to be, you have to make sure it is within this box. If you put any text somewhere over here or over here, over here, it's not going to show up. Okay, let me show that to you. Just cancel this. I'm going to go here. I'm going to I'll choose something else. Hold on. Okay, just so that you understand, I'm going to add another page and I'm going to add something else. Let's say something like this. You see this? It looks great. Now see what happens when I add it on my YouTube channel. We download this. Download. Always download PNG. So I'll go over here, change, and I'm going to go over here, select, open. You see this? Now on your desktop, it will be fine. It's going to show, if I do this, it's going to show this. It will look great on your desktop. But if you're going to check it on your cell phone, only this much is going to show up. And this much is gone. So if you have your text overlapping this, then it's not going to show on your cell phone. Okay. And on TV, this is what you're going to see. This is absolutely fine. Desktop is this. Desktop is also fine. But here you're going to have a problem. In all your smartphones, it's not going to show up correctly. Okay. So don't do that. Don't do that mistake. So we'll go back to channel over here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to select this. Okay. You can use the snip tool in your system. If you're using a Windows operating system, you will have something called a snip tool or snipping tool. You can use that and cut it like this. Okay. And go to Canva. Paste. Okay, let me do this. I'll open a new page. Delete all of this. Delete and paste. Okay. I'm going to make it fit over here. Like that. And I'm going to lock it. Okay, so that it doesn't move. Now I'm going to create boxes. Like that. Okay, one, copy, two, okay. I just want the borders. I don't want any color over here, so I'm going to remove that like that. Black border. Same thing over here. Black. Black border. Done. Another box over here. Done. I'm going to lock these, this and this. I'm going to create a box over here as well, like that. And one over here. Lock this and lock this. Okay. So I have created these outlines over here like this. Okay. So now I will be adjusting this image. Okay. So I'm going to select all of this again. Okay. I have to unlock it. Unlock, 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 copy. Okay, so you see this now? Now, I'm going to send this back because I want to choose, I should be able to select the text, right? So I'm going to send it back like that. and I'm going to lock it so that it doesn't move. It's done. Now I can move only the text. Okay, so this is where the text was, so I'm going to get it right over here. Reduce the size, make it fit over here like that. And this image, his head is over there. I want his head inside, so I'm going to lock this. I want to select the image, so I'm going to move this a little. I'm going to move this a little like that. I'm going to click on the image, right click or double click. I can move it a little bit like this. Click outside, and now is inside this small box. Right? Done. And now I'm going to duplicate this like that, and I'm going to delete all of this. Delete. And it's done. And I can download this now. Page number 4, download. Go back to channel art. Okay, this is how it is. So it was not showing on smartphones. Now I'm going to upload this. Change. This is the new one. And now it's going to fit everywhere. This is how it's going to show on a smart TV, and this is how it's going to show on a desktop, and this is how it's going to show on a cell phone. Simple and easy. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this because I don't want to put this on my channel. I have already done that yesterday. This is how my channel looks. This is what you're going to see. This is how it fits on a desktop. I have put the link in the description for my YouTube channel. You can check my YouTube channel on your phone as well. It fits perfectly. And if you have a smart TV, you can check my channel art in your smart TV as well. It will fit perfectly. You can do the same for your own YouTube channel and make sure your channel art looks amazing across all devices. That's about it. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. And if you have a YouTube channel and if you want your YouTube channel art to look amazing across all devices, do this. And share me your channel link under comments. I would also like to have a look at it on how you have created your designs. See, there are multiple design tools that you can use. You can use Photoshop and you can use GIMP. I prefer Canva because there are ready-made templates. And if you're somebody who would like to use Canva, there is a link below the description. You can click on it and you can sign up to Canva as well. Okay, that's about it. That is what I wanted to teach you today. And thank you so much for watching the video. This is Santosh, and make sure you hit the like button if you got a lot of value out of this video. It's going to help me support my channel as well. Okay, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.